So this is coming in from Derek Klein, and this is going to be south of the Red River, and so east of Quanah, Texas. That is a big tornado. That's a big one for sure. And so same storm. Again, this is probably the fourth time this has produced a tornado. Let's go out to Derek Klein. Hey, Derek, we have a great view of this tornado. Give us an update on what you're seeing.
Yeah, Damon, you can see the tornado, and it's headed towards between Vernon and Lockett right now, so it is getting ready to move into population. If it hasn't hit anything, we're not close enough to see right this second with the hill in the way, but it keeps cycling these tornadoes over and over and over again. They might lift for a few seconds, but then they come right back down again, and we're actually getting baseball-sized hail now, too. So we're getting baseball-sized hail. We're to the north, looking to the south. We have a north wind blowing into that tornado, and it's actually grabbing baseball-sized hail and pulling it towards the tornado. And again, this tornado moving fairly slowly, but it's moving off to the east towards Vernon and Lockett. So it's moving in that direction. If anybody's watching from that area right now, they definitely need to take cover because this storm, there's nothing in the way to impede it right now. It has very clean, warm air out in front of it. And probably even deeper moisture than what it had the last hour or so that it's been producing these tornadoes. So, we don't know what makes them stop and start, but I don't see anything in the way to stop this as it heads into the Vernon Lockett area. Back to you, Damon.
Yeah.